Broken promise, broken heart. Roll a blunt and hit the cart. Wetting that shit with the tears from apart. Breaking in half or breaking in two. Wish I never caught these feelings for you. Loving your smile from here to the moon. Eyes are looking dark like a raccoon. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. These were the times I was feeling for you. So these were the times I was thinking about you. These were the times I was praying about you. Got a reply, but it was the devil. Giving my son to stick to the shovel. Digging my grave, but you misbehaved. I could've stayed a lot like a slave. Loving your lies, but I couldn't cave. Valentine in December, you said you love me, but you don't remember my name. You caused me pain. All girls are the same. Yeah. Smoke a blunt, light it. Popped a pill, I couldn't fight it. Overdosing, eyes are closing. Wasn't chosen, heart is frozen. Feeling nothing from the poison flowing, from the pattern showing, from these bitches hoeing. Veronica, Jessica, Annabelle. All of these bitches who crawled out from hell. I finally know why they ring the same bell. They're all the same, no, not by their name. Their tendencies, actions, they causing me pain. Think from these women, I try to refrain, but it's not their fault that they're burned in my brain. Running the strings, so I can't complain about these girls, cause they are all the same.